Hi guys, nice to meet you again. Okay, in today we finish our lesson. The point 3. Okay, we finish the point 3. The point 3 we study about abstract noun. And we know how to use the suffix. Okay, the suffix mean the word that we use to add after adjective, verb or noun. Okay, we add to convert this word to noun. Okay, the adjective to noun. Okay, let's look at example. Cation. Okay, cation. Look at this. Classify. Okay, and the best verb classify. Okay, let's look at classify. Classification. Okay, classify a verb and cation suffix. Okay, suffix. So verb plus suffix is convert itself to the noun. Okay, we change y to I. We will classify, but when we change to the form, not classify, we did classification. Classification. Verification. Verification means verify plus cation. Verification. Ratification. Ratification. One more. Ans. Example. Remembrance. Remembrance. Significance. 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 Importance. Import verb. Okay, verb. Plus ans. It's conversion to noun. Okay. Importance. One more. H. Okay, H. Shorty. Licky. Okay, one more. Lenient. Shen is about decision. The best word is decide. Okay, decide, but we change. Okay, we delete D and E and we add shen. Okay, decision. Pension. One more. Eating. For example, solidarity. Dignity. Generosity. General come from generous, but when we change it to noun, we must delete letter U and S. Okay, delete U and S. We add. Okay, we add this. Okay, thank you. If you have any question, please ask me and my videos by comment. Thank you for watching my TV. Ta ta for now.